The first step in cleaning the machine, I remove this cover. Put it on the side. Remove the black tubing. And then you turn it counterclockwise and it comes off. And I take that off. We put these in here. And then I make a trip to the kitchen. We use these wipes. I open this front door and I clean in here because it gets caked and then it kind of gets sticky and the door won't open properly. This part goes on here, but you have to make sure that this is lined up with that notch. Okay, you take the milk out of the little refrigerator, and then you're going to put this back in the refrigerator. These are the cleaning tablets. 2 go in the pitcher, and 1 goes in here. You put it back in and turn it. Going to push on unit. Hit clean full system, which today's Thursday, so, and then it will ask you if you want to continue. You go next. Now you have to check the drawer that the coffee grounds go into. And put that back. And it's asking if it's empty, and you say yes. Now you just keep pushing. And it cleans. 1 is marked for the whole milk, this tubing. Here's the whole milk. You put that. Unit. Then this button, and it shows you the levels. And if you have to adjust it, you just click on them and then save it and go back to selection. This concludes on how to clean the coffee machine.